Alright, what's up YouTube? Finally back with a new video. This time we got a box here. Ooh, what's in the box? What could possibly be in the box? Battery signs. Here we go, let's find out. Knife isn't as sharp as it should be, but it'll do. Okay, here we go, here we go. What is this? Y'all know what it is. Can't get focus here. Something from Samsung. Alright, let's find out. Oh, two things. Set that aside for a minute. I think this is the main thing right here. Get that box out of here. Alright, what is this? Kind of interesting box, right? You seen it before? I'm sure you have. Z Fold 5, alright, you know how it goes. We're gonna cut this tape here. Somebody sent me a sharper knife. What is this? I know, peeling it's more aesthetically pleasing, but we don't care about that right now. Alright, you've already seen this box. A bunch of people overseas have already gotten this phone. Us Americans weren't so lucky. We had to wait a little bit longer, but okay, there it is. Pull that out. Come on. So good. I guess you use the tab, right? Yeah, use the tab. Okay. It's all wrapped up. Go. Peel that. Come on out. There it is. I went with black. Oh, that feels good. That is a nice close now. Wow. That is a beautiful finish. I really like this black. I was gonna get the silver with some kind of color on the back, but you know, black just looks professional. That's nice. So yeah, we're gonna do some testing, some comparisons. Probably come back with another video, but I just wanted to say that I had the Fold 3, never did a video on it, used it for about 16 months or so, 18 months, and I switched to the Ultra. It's right here, Ultra. Really nice, actually a really nice phone, very good phone, very good camera. Which was the main reason that I switched. The Fold 3 was driving me bonkers with the camera quality, so I switched to this guy. This guy's been on 3 trips now, lots of photos, almost 2,000 photos, takes amazing pictures. So why am I going to the Fold 5? Well, it's smaller and a little bit more pocketable in my opinion. I know you're thinking, but it's thicker. Yeah, but that's fine, but the width is really what gets you on these things sometimes, especially if you're like bending down or something. It's crazy. But the main reason's right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main reason. So I found out that I really do miss using that screen. Around the house, you're watching a video, you're surfing the web or something, that screen is so nice. And when you're just out and about and doing things, this kind of narrow and almost weird looking screen is very functional. It's one-handed, you see, you can type, you can do everything one-handed. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this thing on, get it all set up. It's gonna take a while, and I'll make sure to run some camera comparisons. The initial reviews I'm seeing are the camera is pretty decent, probably not up to par with the 23 Ultra when you really pixel peep, when you really zoom into a picture, but the picture quality does seem to be quite good and definitely improved from the Fold 3. Not a whole lot from the Fold 4, but this is a new chipset. This does have some new AI algorithms and things for the photography, so you're gonna get slightly better pictures than the Fold 4. You're gonna get definitely better pictures than the Fold 3, at least that's what I'm hoping. So we'll find out. Until then, stay tuned, click the like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.